Good afternoon. The number one most important thing about doing any welding is the fit up and setup. What I usually see happen are students come out here to weld, they grab any piece of metal, throw it on any flat metal surface and attempt to weld. And what will happen though is if you do not grind off all of the previous false starts and splatters that are on these surfaces, you'll get a very poor ground. If you're getting a very poor ground, you're going to get an inconsistent arc, which is going to cause an inconsistent weld bead and experience. That I'm going to weld, I verify the thickness as a 1/4 inch. Knowing the thickness will now help me set the welding machine closer to the parameters to have that experience of a good weld, bead, puddle. Now if you'll come down here, you'll see we're just gonna turn the machine on. Output is off. I'm gonna go to the home page. We're 230 volt, we're stick. We have positive electrode, 7018, 1/8 inch welding rod, welding 1/4 inch steel plate, because we verified that with the gauge. Perimeter is off. Now it's on. Now we're ready to weld. Cover. Edge, and that whole slag will come off, mostly in big pieces, and then it'll look like a stack of dimes underneath there that's just been tipped over. See how there was no banging, no clanking when I just take the wire brush? It's all in the setup. There was nothing magical about the execution. Comfortable, breathe, strike the arc, maintain consistent angle, speed, and arc length throughout the entire weld. It's just consistency, okay? Take advantage of the time that we have here. Are there any questions?